Okay, hi Madam Wong. Thank you for joining us. Can you hear me, Madam Wong?
Hi. Yeah, Madam Noriham. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah,
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you to all students for attending this workshop. And thank you to Miss Juliza and Madam Agnes for joining us tonight. So, welcome to today's panel discussion on trade and cash discount and mathematical retailing. Alright, before I forgot, can we have one photo session before the workshop start? Madam Agnes, help us to take photo.
Okay, hi everybody. So to take photo for the beginning session, I would like everyone to switch on your camera so that we can have a nice photo together. Okay. All right, I wait for some of you to switch on your camera first, then I'll take the screenshot. Okay. All right. So one, two, three, smile. Okay, I take one more time. One, two, three. Okay.
My name is Nuriham Bujang, which is also LIC lecturer in charge for this course, and I'll be your moderator for this session. So I'm excited to have such esteemed speaker with us today. So now let's introduce our speaker. So our beautiful speaker today is Madam Wong Hui Shin. She is a lecturer in University of Technology Sarawak, School of Business and Management Cebu Sarawak. So besides that, she also head of program Bachelor of Business and Management, School of Business and Management, University of Technology Sarawak. So let me introduce her background. She has a Master of Science by Research 2014 to 2016 in Field Applied and Computational Statistics, Institute for Mathematical Research in University Putra Malaysia, UPM. So for her teaching interest is business statistics, applied statistics, quantitative business analysis, quantitative method in business decision, and lastly business mathematics. So now we proceed with the workshop. I pass the button to you, Madam Wong. The floor is yours. Thank you.
okay. Thank you, Madam. Okay, so let's start now, yeah? Let me share my screen. Okay, can everyone see my screen? Okay, all right. Okay, let's start now. So, first of all, good evening to Madam Agnes, Madam Noriham, and also Miss Juliza, lecturer in UITM, and also all the beloved students in UITM. Thank you for inviting me. It's my honor to be here with you all today. All right, so about today's topic. Okay, let me enlarge the screen here. Okay, so I'm Madam Wong, okay, from School of Business and Management in University of Technology Sarawak. So today I'm going to share with you a topic about trade and cash discount, retelling of mathematics, okay, which is in business mathematics. So first of all, imagine you are a small business owner, okay? So you have worked tirelessly to create an amazing product, but now comes to the crucial part, pricing it right. Okay, in business, pricing is a very important strategy. How do you strike the balance between the competitiveness, profitability, and also customer satisfaction? Today, we are here to unravel the secret of trade discount, cash discount, markup, and markdown that can make or break your pricing strategies. Right? Okay, so these are the content that I'm going to to include, okay, in our today's lecture. Okay, I will start with the introduction. I'm focusing on four things, okay, trade discount, cash discount, markup, and markdown. And then, of course, I will recap to this topic. I believe some of the students here already learned about this topic, and then some of you may not haven't learned about markup and markdown, right? Okay, don't worry. I will recap the important point or highlight the important point in this topic. And after that, we will proceed with a case study with some examples. And after that, we'll proceed with Q&A and some interactive section with you all. And then finally will be the conclusion and wrap up. Okay, let's start with the introduction. Okay, so just now I already mentioned, okay, in business, it is important to learn about these pricing strategies. Okay, what is meant by trade discount? Trade discount is a reduction in list price of goods or services offered by suppliers or manufacturers to their customers. Whereas the cash discount is offered to the customer who pay their invoices promptly or within a specified time frame. Okay? And then how about markup? The difference between markup and markdown is very simple. Markup is just simply is the amount added to the cost price of a product or service to determine its selling price. Whereas the markdown is a reduction in the selling price of a product or service. I will explain this in detail in the following section, okay, with some examples. So our objective today, I will let you guys to understand about these concepts, and also I will illustrate some real life examples, and also I will show you some step-by-step calculation and formula, and also recognize what are the benefit and impact of these pricing strategies together with some practical applications. Okay, first, what is meant by trade discount? Okay, just to recap some of the important points in this topic. So trade discount is a reduction from the list price offered by the wholesaler to retailer so they can resell the merchandise at a profit. All right. So the amount, okay, trade discount amount. What is meant by trade discount amount? It's just an amount of discount that retailers receive from the wholesalers, and then we can calculate using this formula. Okay, trade discount amount is equivalent to the rate of discount. That means the percentage of discount multiplied with the list price. Right. So besides that, we also can calculate using this formula. Trade discount also is equivalent to the list price minus the net price. And then what is meant by list price? List price is just the original price, which is the price that the manufacturer recommend retailer sells the product. Whereas the net price will be the price after discount. That means the list price minus a trade discount. Okay, this is the very common formula that we use it to calculate the net price, which is NP means net price, L is the list price multiplied by 1 minus R. R is the discount rate. That means the percentage of discount. Okay, what is meant by R? Okay, trade discount percent or rate. It's normally a manufacturer quote a discount rate in percent to the retailer. The trade discount rate must be calculated on the list price. Okay, these are some important points that I highlight here. Okay, let me show you one example of trade discount. Okay, let's say there is a clothing retailer that purchases clothing items from a wholesaler. Then the wholesaler offers a trade discount of 10% to this retailer on all bulk orders. Okay, if the retailer places an order for $1,000 worth of the clothing items, they are entitled to a trade discount of 10% here. Okay, so let's say if the retailer order for $10,000, and then the wholesaler offer 10% discount, trade discount. So that means the retailer will receive a discount of 100. That means 10% multiplied by $1,000. That means the total amount payable by the retailer after applying a trade discount will be $900, which is $1,000 minus $100. This is a simple example to let you recall back what you have learned with your lecturer. Right. Second, we will proceed with chain discount. Okay, chain discount we also can call it as a series discount. That means we have 2 or more successive discount. Okay, so the wholesaler lists the chain discount as a group. For example, they will be given 15%, 10%, 5%, or different percentage of discount. Okay, so this discount might also be given in circumstances such as when a large quantity is ordered. Therefore, chain discount or series discount it also can be known as multiple discount. So this is the formula. So the difference between the previous net price formula with this one is that we can include several successive discount rate over here. It depends on how many number of successive discount. Okay, later I will show you some example how to utilize this formula. Okay, let's look at this example. Let's say you want to buy a school bag, okay, which costs, okay, the retail price is 300 ringgit. Okay, so first of all, you are given 20% less. That means 20% discount on this bag. Therefore, after apply the 20% discount, 0.2 multiplied with the 300 ringgit. So the trade discount, the discount amount is 60 ringgit. So 300 minus 60 will be 240. That means after 20% discount, you have to pay 240 in order to purchase this bag. After that, you bargain with the retailer, okay, or the wholesaler, okay, to get another less 10% discount. So now we apply the 10% discount 0.1 multiply with the discounted amount just now, which is 240. Okay, we just bring it forward here, and then we get 20 ringgit as the discount amount. So after that, after we deduct the 24 ringgit from the 240 ringgit, so finally the bag is only cost 216 ringgit. So you just need to pay 216 ringgit in order to get this bag. Okay, so this is just step by step. So how are we going to apply the formula just now in order to get the net price? By utilize this formula. So NP is a net price. We just substitute the L list price over here is 300 ringgit. Multiply with 1 minus the first rate is 20%, 0.2. And then we substitute the R2, which is the second discount rate, which is 10%. So that means 0.1. So after that, we solve it using the calculator. We get 216, which is compatible, similar with the amount that we obtained just now. Okay, so it's a faster way. By using this formula, okay, we can get the answer in a faster way. So how much is the total discount? That means 300, the release price minus the final price that you get, 216. That means the total discount amount that you get is 84 ringgit. Okay, in this example. Okay, now I have a question. Okay, so let's say you want to buy a bag, a similar example, a 300 ringgit bag. Okay, shop A offer is similar like the previous slide. Okay, offer you 20% discount, and then next they offer you another 10% discount. Okay, however, after that you move to another shop, shop B. Okay, they say they directly offer you 30% discount, and then shop A keeps saying that is similar. Okay, the amount is similar because 20 plus 10% is equivalent to 30%. Did you agree about this? Let me know. What did you think? Will you get the similar price in the end from shop A and shop B? If you purchase from shop A or shop B, will you get the similar price after discount? Yeah, let me know in the chat box. Would you agree? Similar is you think that they will get a similar price, you can write agree. If you are not agree with it, you just write not agree. Yeah, just give me some feedback. I would like to know what do you think. Yeah. Okay, let me check. Any comment here? Yeah. Don't worry if you have any questions, okay, you can stop me anytime, right? Or just leave your comment over here. I will read. It's not same. Okay. Everyone have the same opinion, not similar. Shop A offer is chain discount 20 and 10%. And then shop B directly 30%. Not similar. Anyone have different answer? Okay. All right. Let me prove to you how is it similar or not. In this case, okay. So, which shop should we choose in order to buy this bag? Okay. So now we will try to prove using a single discount equivalent. Okay. We want to show that. Okay. Let's say we want to buy this bag. Okay. 300 ringgit, and then first less 20% discount, and then 10% discount. Will how much it equal? Okay, that means equivalent to how many percent? Okay, is it 30%? We are curious about this answer. So now we're going to prove it using single discount equivalent. Okay, actually it's a single discount that we combine the chain discount. So we can utilize this formula. R equivalent to 1 minus the R1 means the first discount 20%, and then R2 is the second discount. In this case, we just use it until R2. We don't have R3. So we substitute 0.2 and 0.1 into R1 and R2 respectively, and then we obtain 0.28, meaning that, okay, it equivalent to 28%. 28%, it's not 30%. Okay, that means, you see, I prove it using the NP, the net price formula. 300 ringgit multiplied with 1 minus 0.28, we obtain the same answer as our chain discount answer just now, 216, right? Okay. Now we move on to the next topic, cash discount. Cash discount. All right, another question from me. All right, did you know both trade discount and cash discount both offer price reductions? Agree, right? Okay, and then can you tell me what is the difference between these two? Trade discount and cash discount. Anyone? Did you know what is the difference between these two? Yeah. Yeah, you can just write down your answer in the comment box there if you know the answer. It's okay to make mistake, it's okay. Yeah, anyone? Yeah, you are right. Izani, shop B is cheaper. 30% directly will be cheaper compared to the chain discount. Okay, good job. So every one of you get it right. So Muhammad Nasrullah, you think that trade discount have period time, but second is no? Okay, any other answer? Good try, good try. I just want to know what do you think about it. What is the difference between trade discount and cash discount? I believe some of you have learned it, right? With your lecturer. Okay, no more answer? All right, okay, let's continue with our lecture. Okay, let me tell you the difference. actually it's like this. Trade discount. Okay, let me show. Trade discount are negotiated before a sale normally, and are typically used to encourage bulk purchases. That means that they purchase a lot in a large amount to or maintain the customer relationship. Okay, this is trade discount. Normally, retailer buy it from the wholesaler. Okay, when they purchase in a large amount, okay, they can they have request for a trade discount from the wholesaler or supplier. However, the cash discount are provided after the sale to encourage prompt payment and improve cash flow. Okay, that means our cash discount will be given if the buyer, okay, can or retailer can pay the outstanding payment in a specific time. All right, that may involve some timeline. Okay, so that will be given encourage prompt payment. Okay, so this is called cash discount. Okay, so cash discount, the objective is to encourage prompt payment within a time period, right? Okay, so cash discount are often stated under the heading of invoice. Yeah, for example, so you must be familiar with the, we call it cash discount term over here. Okay, I give you some example. These 3 cash discount terms, okay, you have to know about it. Okay, 310, what does it mean by 310? The first digit is 3, stroke 10. That means 3% discount will be given to you if you pay within 10 days from the invoice date. Okay, so it's calculated starting from the first day, the invoice date. Let's say today is 15 June. So next day will be the first day, second day, and so on, right? So if you pay the invoice amount within 10 days, you will be given 3% discount. And then next, 2%, 220. 220 means that 2% discount will be given if you pay within 20 days from the invoice date. Okay? Yeah, not so hard. Just look at the number. Okay, first digit means the discount rate. Second digit means how many days you are given to settle the amount, so that you will be eligible to get the cash discount. Okay, next, N30, okay, or we call it net 30, right? That means after day 30, the bill is overdue. Okay, that overdue means that you need to pay the full amount after this. Okay, after day 30, okay, you have to pay the full amount. No more discount for you, right? Okay, this is an example. Okay, example. Let's do some example about cash flow to let you familiar with it. So let's say an invoice dated 10 June 2023 for 2,000 ringgit was offered cash discount, terms of 310, 120, and net 30. If the invoice was paid on 15 June 2023. So what was the payment? All right, so as you can see, the yellow highlighted, okay, are the important data or important information for this question, right? Let's interpret it together. Okay, first thing you need to identify over here. Okay, first one, what is the invoice date? Okay, the invoice date shown here is 10 June. This is your invoice date. Okay, invoice date. And then how much is the amount that you need to pay? 2,000, right? Okay, and then these are the cash discount terms given here. And then if you pay the invoice amount 2,000 on 15 June on the same year, okay, how much will be the payment? Will you given some discount? Okay. So first of all, you need to identify the day. Okay, how many days the period from the invoice date, which is 10 June 2023 until 15 June 2023. How many days? Okay, it's easier. Okay, you see, same year, same month. Okay, so 10 and 15. Okay, how many days? So you just use 15 minus 10. So that means 5, right? Equivalent to 5. Okay, 5 days. Okay. Okay. So my question is, entitled. Okay. Entitled. Okay. How many discount? How much? How many percent discount? So by looking at these three terms over here, 5 days is still below 10 days, within 10 days. That means you can get 3% discount. Okay, so this is 3% discount. So now we proceed with the calculation here. Okay, so cash discount over here would be 3%. That means 0.03. This is 3% times with the 2,000 ringgit in the invoice, equivalent to 60 ringgit. Yes, this is a cash discount amount that you can get. Therefore, the payment over here would be the invoice amount 2,000 minus 60 ringgit, equivalent to 1,940 ringgit. Therefore, the payment was 1,940. All right. Okay, just a simple example to let you getting familiar with the cash discount. Next, we will move to markup and markdown. Okay. Before that, any question until here? Before I tell you a story, any question about trade discount and cash discount? Just now I heard something. Any question? No? Okay, I believe okay. So far okay. So far so good. So we just continue with the next topic, markup and markdown. Just recap only. Recap. I just mean that means I highlight some important point in this concept. Okay, these topics. Okay, let me tell you a story. Okay, about the clever merchants. Okay, clever merchants. That means a clever businessman. All right. Okay, let us proceed. Okay, so let's say okay, I give a name to the boy. Let's say Alex. Okay, the merchant is called Alex. Okay, so in marketplace there was a merchant named Alex. Okay, he ran a small shop selling clothing items. Okay, sell clothes. Okay, so one day he purchased a bunch of t-shirts, okay, from a wholesale supplier, right? And then the supplier offered him a trade discount of 15% in the beginning, okay, on the bulk purchases. And then Alex negotiated, okay, with the supplier and managed to secure another 10% discount due to his good relationship, okay, good business relationship with the supplier. So that means this is like a chain discount, 15%, and then another 10%. So, okay, both of them are happy with this business. Okay, deal. After that, okay, so initially, the cost price of the t-shirt is $10, okay, in the beginning. So, after that, the supplier agreed to give 15% discount. Okay, that means the t-shirt become 8.5, 8 ringgit and 50 cent, okay, per t-shirt. Okay, you know how to calculate this one? It seems like the example that I show you. Okay, I just okay, show you some calculation here. Okay, just simple 10 multiply with, if 15% discount, that means you need to pay how many percent? 100% minus 15 means 85%, right? So 0.85. Okay, that's it. How you get this answer? $8.50 per t-shirt after 15% discount. After that, remember just now, he negotiated with the supplier to get another 10% because of their good business relationship. So it will become 7 ringgit and 65 cents per t-shirt in the end. So they are okay, deal. So he buy a lot t-shirt, a bulk of purchases. Okay, so the calculation is same. The 10%, you just apply 8.5, okay, multiply with 0.9, because after 10% left 90%, right? So you get 7 ringgit and 65 cents. Okay, you can also use the chain discount formula, 15% and 10%. You will get the similar answer as well, 7 ringgit and 65 cents. Okay, after that, Alex decided, okay, to mark up the t-shirt. He has an idea, okay, to mark up 40% to cover what? His operational costs and make a profit. Okay, mark up. Of course, as a businessman, we want to earn, right? We want to make a profit. That's why we need to mark up. Okay, so after mark up 40%, the t-shirt, the selling price is 10.71. Okay, mark up. Okay, mark up. How to calculate this one? It's easier from the price just now. Okay, so I will show you the calculation here. Okay, so just now the final cost is 7.65, right? So that means 7.65, we mark up 40%. Okay, that means 100% multiply plus 40%. 100 plus 40, that means 1.4, right? So that means markup means plus, okay, plus 100% plus another 40% become 140%. 140% equivalent to 1.4. So that means equivalent to $10.71. This is how we get this selling price per t-shirt. Okay, so he sell to the customer $10.71 per t-shirt. So let's read the markup. The customer were happy to buy the trendy t-shirt at a fair price. Okay, finally, Alex successfully turned a profit. Okay, this is a clever merchant story. Okay, so in this case, I believe you have a concept what is meant by markup. Markup means we mark up the cost of the product, okay, or the product of the item, the goods, okay, in order to cover the operational cost and make a profit. All right, so there are some formula that you need to take note here in order to calculate the markup. Okay, for example, like retail price is similar as the selling price. Same meaning, if you heard about retail price, that means selling price. That means the price that you sell to the customer. Like Alex sell to a customer, sell the t-shirt with 10 ringgit and 71 cents. So that means equivalent to the cost price plus with the markup. Okay, so R represent retail price or selling price. Equivalent to C means cost price plus with M means markup. So in short means R equivalent to C plus M. Okay, easy. Okay, next. Okay, over here, from this formula, we can obtain the markup. We know that the markup is the retail price minus the cost price. Okay, then that means over here we just rearrange here M equivalent to R minus C. We move the C to the left hand side, become minus R minus C. Okay, is it okay? Okay, we back to the previous example. Can you tell me the story just now, Alex? Can you tell me how much is the markup? Okay, you just remember markup is retail price minus cost price. Okay, I want you to calculate how much is the markup per t-shirt by using this from this example, this story. Okay, what is the markup per t-shirt from this example? M is R minus C. Okay, just write down here. Markup is R minus C, right? So the retail price means selling price. Okay, per t-shirt is $10.71. Okay, so 10.71 minus, okay, the cost per t-shirt. Okay, after discount will be 7.65. Okay, this is dot. Okay, so equivalent to, we can calculate as 10.71. Okay, you can calculate by yourself, no problem, just a simple example over here. That means it is $3.06. So that means RN markup per t-shirt are 3.06. All right. Okay. This is called markup per t-shirt. Okay. Retail price or selling price minus the cost per t-shirt. Okay. This is how we utilize the formula. Okay. Next, we move to markup. Just like I told you already, why Alex want to mark up the t-shirt, because he want to cover the operating expenses and also make a profit, right? It's normal for a businessman. Okay, so we have to make profit and also cover operating expenses. Okay, like the shop rental, right? And all the worker and some more utility, right? So the markup equivalent to E plus P. E means expenses plus with the profit. Okay. So the retailer must add an additional amount called markup to the cost of the goods to cover the business expenses and generate a profit. All right, just remember about this. Okay, next. Okay, involve about cost price. Okay, so retail or selling price is also equivalent to. Okay, over here we know that M is E plus P, right? So we substitute. Okay, we substitute the M, the first equation over here, we substitute the M, replace with E plus P. So it becomes C plus E plus P. This is how we get this formula. Okay, retail or selling price equivalent to cost price plus expenses plus with profit. Okay, yeah. What is mean by cost? Cost price means the original price of the good paid by the retailer. Like just now, after the discount, the cost become $7 something, right? So this is a cost price. Okay, next, markup rate. Okay, markup rate we have two. First one is based on the retail price. Second, markup rate is based on the cost price. Markup rate based on the retail price is the markup divided by R mean retail price or selling price multiplied by 100%. Okay, rate mean percentage. Percentage for information. Okay, markup rate based on the cost price, easy. Just replace the R retail price with the cost price. That's all. Okay, that's all. Okay, just simple. Okay, just some simple formula. Okay, most important, you must know how to apply it in order to solve the problem of pricing. Okay, in business. Okay, let's look at this example, just simple example to get you understand about the concept. Okay, find the markup of the selling t-shirt. Okay, so first the cost is $16 per t-shirt, and then the selling price is $28 per t-shirt. So how much is the markup? Easy, just like the Alex example just now. So we know that markup is retail price or selling price minus the cost price. Okay, so that means $28 minus 16 equivalent to $12. All right. Okay, we move on to markdown now. Markdown, you know, it is reduction in price. So markdown meaning that the old retail price minus its new retail price. So OP means old price, NP means new price. So markdown is OP minus NP. So the rate of markdown is markdown divided by the old retail price multiply 100%. Okay, seller can offer to reduce the regular selling price in order to increase the sales. Yeah, that's true. Okay, normally why we mark down? Okay, mark down in some situations, for example, you want to have a quick sale. Okay, you want to sell certain item quickly. Okay, so you rather to earn lesser. Okay, you mark down the price. Okay, mark down or reduce the regular selling price in order to increase the sales. Okay, so from a perspective of buyer, it's like discount. Actually, it's slightly different from discount. Okay, markdown and discount, they share some similarity, which is reduction in price. Okay, but markdown specifically refer to a planned and temporary price reduction aimed at managing inventory or stimulating sales. However, for discount, it's more general and can encompass various type of price reduction in various contexts. Okay, normally discount can be applied across industry and for different purposes. Okay, yeah, let me tell you another story about the clearance sale. Let's say Emily, okay, Emily, in the marketplace, Emily is she is attracted, okay, with a sale, 30% sale from a purchase store, department store, okay, a clothing department store, okay. So he he attracted with a beautiful dress, okay. The dress costs 100 ringgit, okay. The store apply 30% markdown, okay. So that means after 30% markdown, the price of the dress become 70 ringgit, okay. Markdown is like discount, okay. You can apply the NP formula, okay, to calculate the 70 ringgit, okay, in order to get the 70 ringgit over here, okay. Just easy, that means 100, okay, minus 0.3, that means discount, 30%, 3, so you will get 70, okay. All right, after that, later, Emily discovered that the dress didn't fit her properly, okay. So she decided to sell it, okay, because the dress didn't fit. So she wanted to attract potential buyers with an enticing offer, okay, enticing offer. So she marked down the dress by how many percent? 20%, okay, from the original clearance price. Okay, so with the 20% markdown, okay, Emily priced the dress at $56, 56 ringgit. Okay, she managed to sell it quickly to a delighted customer who was thrilled to get a fashionable dress at a fantastic discount. All right, so from this story, okay, we know that, okay, in what situation markdown will occur, okay. First, from the department store, the sales 30% means markdown 30% over here, okay. Okay, normally the department store offer markdown because they want to make a clearance sale, okay, on a range of items to make room for new inventory, okay. They want to clear all the old stock and want to purchase a new stock, okay. That's why they have a clearance sale, so they mark down in order to clear the stock. And then in the second situation, Emily marked down 20%. Why? Because she want to manage to sell it quickly, okay. She want to sell the dress quickly because it doesn't fit her, okay. So this is an example about markdown. Okay, next about break-even price is a very general in business. So break-even price is the price, retail price. Okay, it's a retail price in which there is no gain or loss. Okay, that means no tiada untung, tiada rugi. Okay, no gain or loss. Break-even it's like you look at here. Okay, the level balance. So the level of output at which the cost of the production equal to the revenue. No profit, no loss. Okay, so by looking at the formula here, break even is equivalent to cost plus operating expenses. Okay, that means that this is the formula. Break even price equivalent to C plus E, cost plus the operating expenses. That means you only can cover those costs and also the expenses only. You don't have any single cent of the profit, okay, and also no loss as well. So, and then after that, what is sometime businessmen may want to calculate or provide a maximum markdown, okay, by offering lowest price without incurring any loss. Sometimes they want to clear some items, okay, so they offer maximum markdown. So how to calculate the maximum markdown? Okay, it's a retail price minus the break-even price. Okay, this is the formula. Markdown, maximum markdown is the retail R minus BP, break-even price. Okay, and then after that, how to calculate the maximum break-even rate? Rate mean percentage. Okay, it's just equivalent to the maximum markdown amount divided by the retail price. R is R. Okay, multiply with 100% in order to get the rate of the maximum markdown. Right? Okay, later I will show you some example okay, in real life about this, how to utilize or calculate step by step the calculation. All right. Okay, until here, any question before we move on to the case study? Yeah, any question from you all? Okay, no question? Okay, then if you need a break, please let me know. Okay, let's start with case studies. Case studies. I will show you a simple study about trade and cash discount. Two case study. First one is about trade and cash discount. Second will be the markup and markdown. All right. So let's take read from this case study. Okay. Let's see. Okay, we have to interpret it together. Okay, before we break, we have to take a look. Okay, it's from a fashion boutique. You and your friends are planning to open a fashion boutique. After careful consideration, each of you has agreed to contribute 20,000 ringgit. Okay, each of you 20,000 ringgit. The journal entries for your transaction prior to the start of a business are listed below. All right, so we highlight the important. Okay, never mind. We just take a look first. Read first. After that, only we interpret. So, starting from the 1st August, okay, you start the business with contributed capital. Okay, because each of you will contribute 20,000 as a model of the business. And then next, or capital of the business. Next, August 11, you purchase clothing inventory worth $50,000. Okay, 50,000 ringgit with trade discount of 13%, 10%, and 7%. August 22nd, you purchase display fixture and mannequin worth 10,000 ringgit with trade discount of 20% and 15%, and cash discount terms of 5, 10, 3, 15, and net 30. The payment was made on August 29, 2022. All right. Yeah, you purchase different thing. Okay. Then, lastly, 31st of August, you purchase 6 sets of the shelving and display unit. Okay, in order to display all your clothing item. Okay, it's a rack worth 2,500 ringgit each, with a cash discount term of 4, 8, 220 and net 33. The payment was made on September 14, 2022, and a handling fee of 280 ringgit was also charged. Okay, we have another charge, which is the handling fee. All right. Continue. However, after a few years of operation, the fashion industry has faced challenges due to changing consumer preferences and increased online competition. As a result, you and your friends are required to propose cost-cutting measures to improve profitability, such as finding cheaper sources of boutique inventory. One potential strategy is to source the clothing inventory and other suppliers at a more affordable prices. So you have found 3 suppliers. Okay, regular style, chic trend, and also fashion plus. Okay, they have different offer. As you can see here, the first supplier, regular style, the supplier offer no trade discounts but had a cash discount. Okay, they only provide you cash discount without trade discount. Term of 11, 10, 8, 20, and net 30. A handling fee of 100 ringgit is charged. And then your company is able to pay on 15 days. Okay, day 15. Okay, and then how about trade trend? The supplier offers 7% and 4% trade discounts and cash discount terms of 8, 7, 4, 12, and N20. Your company is able to pay on a day 20. And then Fashion Plus, the last supplier, offer a 15% trade discount and transportation cost twice as much as the regular style handling fee, which is the first supplier is charged. Twice a double charge for the transportation cost. Okay, so these are the scenario. Let's look at the question. Okay, first question. Let's say five partner, five of you want to start the business. Okay, a total of 5 person in your group. So from the journal entry transactions, calculate the balance of your capital. Yeah, after you purchase so many items, okay, so how much left from your total capital? All right, this is the first question. Second question would be, which supplier would you avoid if the company decides to buy 5,000 ringgit of the boutique inventory? Justify your answer with appropriate calculations. All right, so we are going to discuss this case study in order to let you have a better understanding about trade discount and cash discount in this topic. Yeah, let's move to this one. All right, okay. Okay, for the first question, I have ready all the scenario. Okay, what you have purchased from the beginning of your the first day, 1st August until 31st August, you have purchased so many items. Okay, and then you have 5 partners in your business. Okay, so first of all, can you guys tell me, okay, if each of you agree to contribute 20,000, okay, and then 5 of you start the business, that means each of you 20,000, how much will be your total capital in the beginning? 1st August. Can you tell me? Just write down your answer in the chat box, is okay, or you just open your mic. I'm okay with it. Yeah, anyone? How much is the total capital? Okay, if 5% join this business, a total of 5%, each of you contribute 20,000, how much will be the total capital? Yeah, anyone? Just let me know. This is a simple calculation. We haven't applied any formula yet. Yeah, let me check. Any one of you got the answer? Let me see. Okay. Okay, Raif. Okay, 100K. Okay, that means 100,000. Izani, same, 100,000. Nurazira, also 100,000. Okay, good. Okay, you have a very clear mindset. Okay, very good. Yeah, you are still with me. Okay, I know that all of you are still with me. Okay, good. Okay, that means your total capital is 100,000. Okay, so in the beginning, because 5 multiply with 20,000, okay, equivalent to 100,000. Okay, in the beginning, you start the business, then you start to purchase something that necessary for your fashion boutique, right? Okay, so over here, they want you to find out what? The balance of your capital. After you purchase so many items, how much left? Okay, so you need to minus the item one by one. Okay, let's do it step by step based on these journal entry transactions. Okay, let's move to August 11. August 11, you purchase what? Clothing inventory, which is 50,000, but you are given certain discount. 13%, 10%, and 7% discount, right? All right, so we're going to apply the formula of NP formula, the net price formula. Let me write it down here, if you, so that you can refer what is the formula. 1 minus equal to list price. Okay, 1 minus R1 and 1 minus R2, and then multiply 1 minus R3. Okay, R3. R means the rate, the discount rate, the trade discount rate. Okay, so in this case, okay, just apply this formula for August 11. We want to know how much will be the amount payment for this. Okay, so yeah, use type. Okay, so the list price is 50,000. Okay, 1 minus 13%, 0.13. Second is 10%, 1 minus 0.1, and then third one is 7%, 1 minus 0.07. All right, okay, so you can use your calculator to calculate. Okay, the answer would be RM 36409.5, right? 36,409 ringgit 50 cent. Okay, so this is the price of the clothing inventory after trade discount, several chain discount. The chain discount formula. Okay, after that we move on to August 22nd. So you purchase a display fixture and mannequin wood, the patung, okay, which is 10,000 ringgit with a trade discount, 20%, 15%, and also cash discount with the terms here 1, 2, and 3. So you make the payment on when? August 29. Would you get any cash discount? Okay, in this case, you have to calculate how many days. Is it within 10 days? If within 10 days from the invoice date, then you can get 5% cash discount. If within 15 days, it's 3%. Okay, if more than that, no more discount, you have to pay the full amount after this. All right, so let's calculate. Okay, let's identify. Okay, let me jot down. This one is for August 11. Okay, for August 11. Okay, then we move on to 22nd. Okay, August 22nd. Okay, so in this case, first of all, you need to know the invoice is 22nd August, right? Until the day that you make the payment, which is 29 August. All right, equivalent to how many days? Okay, you can calculate. All right, that means 29 minus 22 means 7. That means 7 days. Okay, 7 days. Okay, still okay. That means it's still within 10 days over here. Okay, within 10 days. Okay, within 10 days. So you could get 5% cash discount, right? So you manage, you're entitled 5%. 5% cash discount. The 5% cash discount. Okay, therefore, we could calculate the net price, okay, applying the formula. So the same formula, same like just now. So your list price here is 10,000. 10,000. Just now it's 15,000, it's 10,000. Okay, so we just substitute 10,000 over here. Okay, multiply with 1 minus first trade discount is 20%, right? Okay, according here 20%, 15%, then subsequently 5%. Okay, just sub. Okay, 1 minus 0.15. Okay, another 5% because of cash discount, right? And then we could calculate the answer, which is RM 6,460, right? Okay. All right. Okay, this is for the second. Okay, next we move to another one, 31st of August. Okay, we purchase some more. Okay, we try to read 6 sets of the shelving and display units. Okay, and then 2,500 each. That means you need to multiply with 6, and the cash discount term are given over here, 4, 8, 2, 20, and net 33. So the payment was made on September 14, 2022, and handling fee some more. We have handling fee 280 was also charged. Okay, no problem. We continue to calculate over here. So it's August 31st. All right, our national day. So you purchase 6 sets. Okay, so we try to calculate the cost first. How much is the cost? The list price, where the list price, which is 2,500 multiply with 6. We will buy 6 units. Okay, so that means it's equivalent to RM 15,000. Okay, 15,000. And then after that, okay, you get the cash discount, and then you pay on 14 September. Okay, similar to the 22nd August, you need to identify how many days from the day of the invoice is 31st of August. Okay, the 1st of August until the day you make the payment, which is 14 September. How many days? Okay, you see, this is the last day of the August. That means the next day will be the 1st September. That means 1st September, you can calculate 1st September until 14 days, right? Okay, so 14 days. Okay, so can you get any cash discount from this purchase, this transaction? 14 days, look at the terms. Did you make the payment within 8 days? No, but within 20 days, yes, this one. So you only could get 2% discount, okay? 2% cash discount. All right, so you could obtain 2% cash discount, right? Next, so we are going to calculate how much is the price. So list price 15,000. After that, you are given the 2% discount, right? The cash discount. And then after that, don't forget about the handling fee. You need to add another 280 ringgit for the handling fee. The total would be RM 14,980, right? Okay, we have finished calculate these 3 days that you make the purchase, the transaction from the journal entry. Therefore, now we are going to calculate the balance for your capital. Okay, balance. Okay, balance of capital equivalent to how much? Okay, as stated that 5%, right? 5%. Okay, just now we already calculate the total capital. The total capital, 5%. In the beginning, we already calculated this one. Just now you told me the correct answer, which is 100K, 100,000, right? So we just minus, okay? We utilize the capital that we have minus the item, the amount that you spend to purchase the item for your business, the transaction. So we have calculated the first one is minus, okay, 6,409.50, then minus another 6,460, minus the last one is 14,980. Okay, therefore the balance would be RM 42,150.50 cents. All right, this is the balance of your capital. Okay, it's just easy, just step by step. Then, as long as you understand about how to read the cash discount rate, okay, how to read the cash discount terms, how to apply it when you make the payment, then should be all right. All right, we have get the answer. Okay, next we proceed with the question B just now. Which supplier would you avoid? That means we try to prevent, okay, don't want to buy from that supplier. Okay, so if the company decide to purchase 5,000 of the boutique inventory, okay, so justify your answer with appropriate calculations. Okay, so in this case, we need to interpret one by one supplier by one supplier. Okay, so we will start from the Wagger style first. Okay, Wagger style. Wagger style. Okay, so no trade discount as mentioned here. Okay, no trade discount. But given cash discount, no trade discount, no. Okay, but cash discount with these three terms. Okay, and then the handling fee 100 ringgit, and then you pay on the day 15. Okay, day 15. That means you could get how many percent of the cash discount within 15 days? This is 10. No, already exceed 10. 15 is within 20 days. So this one okay. Okay, this one okay. So you are eligible to get 8% cash discount. Okay. All right. So we try to calculate. Okay. So over here, you purchase a boutique inventory with 5,000. All right. So we try to calculate this one. How much would be the payment if you purchase the item from supplier Wagger style, right? Okay, so NP equivalent to the list price is 5,000 over here 5,000, and then you could get 8%, 1 minus 0.08 Okay, no problem. Don't forget about the handling fee plus another 100 ringgit. Therefore, the amount that you should pay to this supplier would be 4,700. Okay, 4,700. All right. Okay, next we move to the second supplier. Chic Trend. Okay, the supplier offer 7%, 4% trade discount. Okay, this now no trade discount. This one offer you trade discount. Okay, like a chain discount and also cash discount term. 3 terms as well, and then your company is able to pay on day number 20. Okay, in this case, is it within 7 days? No, already exceed because it's 20. Is it within 12 days? No, as well. Okay, therefore, you have to pay the full amount already. Okay, so this one. Okay, full amount. Because you already exceed the day of the cash discount that offer over here. So therefore, we try to calculate the net price. So again, list price is 5,000. 5,000. 1 minus 0.07 trade discount. And then 4%. Okay? But no cash discount, right? So we stop here. So therefore, how much? Okay, so just simple. The answer is 4,464. Okay, did you get it? Okay. Okay, next we proceed with the last supplier, Fashion Plus. Okay, Fashion Plus, 15% trade discount and transport cost twice. Okay, twice. We highlight this one. Okay, twice. Okay, and then 15% trade discount. Okay, twice the Vega style handling fee charge. All right, so we continue here. NP equivalent to 5,000 and then 1 minus 0.015, 0.15, 15%, right? And then you plus another double of the handling fee of the regular style. That means 2 times of 100, as stated here just now. 100, now double. That means 2 times of 100. All right, so continue, we solve it. So it's equivalent to RM 4,450. Okay, so we have calculated all the net price. So we try to compare. Okay, by looking at the net price over here, which supplier we should avoid? That means we will avoid the supplier that you pay the highest amount. Okay, so among these three answers, 4,700, 4,464, 4,450. Which one you should avoid? Yeah, let me know your answer in the chat box. Vega Style, Chic Trend, or Fashion Plus? Yeah, anyone? We try to avoid the highest one, the highest amount. We just compare these three amounts. Which one is the highest? Then we try to avoid it. Yeah, I believe you know, right? Let me see. Very good, Okay. Izani, Emni, and also Norazira, and also Izjani. Okay, well done, Well done. Okay. Correct. This is the highest. So we try to avoid Vega Style. Okay. Why we want to avoid it? Because Vega Style, the amount is the highest, right? Among these three suppliers, right? Although the Vega Style offer the highest percentage of the cash discount, which is 8% among these, it is the highest, but they do not offer trade discount and charge additional handling fee. Okay, so it makes the total cost 4,700 become the higher. Okay, the highest among all the three suppliers. Okay, so we try to avoid. Okay, we try to make a conclusion here. Okay, so based on calculations, okay, we try to the suppliers to avoid would be Vega Style. Okay. Yeah, you just explain now, okay? Yeah, because it gives the highest total cost, which is 4,700. Although it provides us the highest cash discount, but without the trade discount and the additional handling fee, it causes it become higher, the highest amount among these three suppliers, right? Okay, well done. Okay, now we directly proceed to the next case study. Okay, yeah. Is it okay, everyone? Okay, right? Okay, so we directly move on to the next case study. Okay, this one done. Okay, next case study. Okay, it's about markup and markdown in retail. Okay, so take a look to this. So the Style Savvy Clothing is a popular fashion retailer specializing in trendy clothing items. They aim to optimize their pricing strategy using a markup and markdown to maximize the profit. All right. Okay, so look at this strategy one, markup. Okay, so their sources is clothing item from various suppliers, each with different wholesale costs. They analyze the market demand and their target profit margin to determine the markup percentage for each product category. So the wholesale, okay, they sell three different product over here, three category: dresses, shirts, and also pants. The wholesale cost for a dress is 40 ringgit. Okay, and then they apply 50% markup, whereas the shirt is wholesale cost is 20 ringgit, but they apply 40% markup. And then for the pant, okay, cost the wholesale cost for a pair of pants is 30 ringgit, okay, and then they apply 60% markup. Okay, this is their strategy, all right. And then the next one, their markdown strategy. At the end of each season, okay, the Style Savvy Clothing conduct a comprehensive analysis of their inventory. They identify items that haven't sold well or are out of season and decide to apply markdown to stimulate sales and clear out the stock. Okay, so what they did, they select a range of dresses from their inventory, originally priced at 60 ringgit each. They decide to offer 25% discount on these dresses. They offered markdown 25% discount. So additionally, they choose a specific shirt style that has not sold well and apply a 35% markdown. All right, and then after 1 month, okay, so they want to assess how is their profit. Okay, the profitability of their pricing strategies, which is mark up and mark down for each product category. Okay, this is what they obtain. Okay, yeah, they purchase 150 dresses for the each dress, and then totaling 6,000. Okay, right? 150 times 40 is 6,000. This is the cost. Okay, let me highlight. Okay, this is the cost. This one, 150, they purchase them, multiply with 40. Okay, this is the cost for dresses. And then with 50% markup, they mark up and then they sell each 110 with $60. Actually, it's from the markup strategy. Okay, markup 50%, 40 plus another 50% markup becomes 60 ringgit. Okay, and after that, because the sale is not good, okay, they want to clear out the stock, so they apply 25% markdown. So they sell the remaining dresses. That means the remaining is how many? 150 minus 110, it becomes 40. Okay, 40 dresses are remaining, means 40. Okay, 40 dresses sell at 45 ringgit each. And then for the shirt, they purchase 200. Okay, the cost multiply with 20 ringgit. So the cost is 4,000 ringgit. With the 40% markup, okay, so markup, it becomes $28 per t-shirt, per shirt. So without any markdown, okay, without markdown, they're able to manage to sell all 200 at its original price. That means RM 28 ringgit. All the people are happy with this price. Okay, managed to sell all the 200 shirt. No need to mark down anymore. Already finished all the stock. And then for the pant, okay, they purchased 100 pair of pants for 30 ringgit each, and then totaling, so 100 times 30, so this is the cost purchase the pants. Okay, so after that they mark up 60%. They sell, the selling price for each pant will be 48 ringgit, and they decide not to apply any markdown to the pant, and they successfully sell all the 100 pairs at the original price, which is RM 48, no markdown. Okay, only the dress markdown. Okay, the question is, based on strategy 1 and 2, find the selling price for each product category. Actually, we have discussed it just now, right? Okay, over here already give you the answer after markup, okay, and markdown. Okay, I will show you how to calculate the selling price for each category from the markup and markdown strategy. And then B, how much revenue did the style savvy clothing generate from the selling dresses, shirts, and pants without any markdowns? Which product category result the highest profit for the style savvy clothing under the markup strategy? Okay, without considering the markdown, markup only, which one provide the highest profit? And then lastly, determine the total net profit after 1 month of sales. All right, so let's discuss this case study. All right. Okay, let's see. Okay, so in order to answer the first question, okay, find the selling price of each product category. Okay, just simple. Since you know how to calculate from the beginning, the discount, trade discount and cash discount. Okay, you know how to calculate the markup, right? Okay, let me show you one by one. Okay, these three are markup, right? Okay, markup, and markup. All right, for the dress, okay, the cost is 40. Okay, markup 50%. Okay, so it will become, that means I told you if markup means from 100% is the cost. You markup mean you plus how many percent? In this case, markup 50% means 100 plus 50. Okay, become 150%, right? 150% convert to decimal means 1.5, right? Okay, 1.5. So that means the selling price, we talk about selling price. Selling price, okay, selling price for each category of this item. So 40 multiply 1.5, okay, that would be 60 ringgit. Okay, and then second, about shirt. Okay, initial cost is 20, markup 40%, meaning that 20 times 1.4. Direct 100 plus 40% means 1.4. That means equivalent to 28 ringgit. You see, after markup, the price will become higher than the cost just now, the cost price. Okay, next, for the pen, 30 ringgit, markup 60%. Okay, that means multiply with 1.6. It equal to 48 ringgit. All right. Okay, how about the markdown strategy? Okay, so over here they only apply on dress only, dress and shirt only, pant no. Okay, they are confident enough. Okay, they think that they could sell out all the pant. Okay, so for the dresses, they mark down how many discount? 25% discount. Okay, for dress, for dress, so that means just now how much? Dress is 60 ringgit, right? 60. Markdown means, okay, markdown, okay, I write down here, markdown means minus. Markdown means minus 100% minus how many percent? Okay, so 60 ringgit markdown 25, but means that 100% minus 25%, that means 75%, right? 0.75 if you convert to decimal. So 60 times 0.75 equivalent to 45, right? 45 ringgit. Okay, next, shirt. Okay, just now the shirt is 28 ringgit, right? 28 ringgit. They mark down how many percent? 35% marked down. Okay, because it sell not really well. Okay, so $28 times with, okay, 100 minus 35, 65, right? So that means the decimal is 0.65. Therefore, that will be equivalent to 18 ringgit and 20 cent, right? Just that simple selling price, right? After markup and markdown, okay, the price change. If markup, the price become higher. If markdown, the price will become lower because reduction in price, just like discount. Okay, done for A. Okay, let's move on to B. Question B just now. How much revenue did style savvy recruiting generate from selling dress, shirt, and pant without any markdown? That means we only consider all the markup, only consider the markup, okay, without looking at the scenario 2 or the strategy 2, right? So which product category resulted in the highest profit for style savvy recruiting under the markup strategy only, markup strategy? Okay, therefore, by looking at this, okay, so we want to find out the highest profit. Okay, what is the formula of profit? Okay, so just simple, profit, right? We can apply what we know, okay, without looking at the formula, right? In general, we know that profit is something that revenue minus the cost, right? Then you can know your profit, how much is a profit, right? So in this case, like, okay, so we try to calculate one by one. Okay, dress, shirt, and pant, right? Okay. Okay, we start from the dress. Okay, dress. Okay, so dress, how much is the cost? Okay, we know that this is the cost already provided to you. Okay, I already calculate for you. It's 6,000, right? And then after that, just now markup. Okay. Okay. Dress, the cost is equivalent to 150 multiplied RM 40, right? It is 6,000. Okay, and then how about the shirt? Okay, it's okay. We continue with the revenue first. Revenue markup only. Okay, so the revenue over here, they mark up 20. Okay. Okay, markup without considering the markdown. So they sell, let's say they sell all, okay? They sell all 150 with the markup 60 ringgit, okay? So it equivalent to 9,000, right? 9,000. Okay, that means how much is the profit earned here? Profit would be revenue 9,000 minus the cost 6,000, equivalent to RM 3,000, right? Okay, done for dress. Okay, how about for shirt? Okay, cost equivalent to, okay, let's see here, let's take a look here. They purchased 200 shirt, 20 each. All right, okay, simple. 200 multiplied with RM 20 each. So equivalent to RM 4,000, right? Okay, after that, revenue. How about revenue with markup only? Assume they sold all 200 with a markup price. Markup price 28. The 28, as stated here, right? There is actually we have calculated just now 28, right? Okay, so it's equivalent to 5,600. Okay, how about the profit? You can minus by yourself. Profit, that means the revenue 5,600 minus the cost 4,000, equivalent to RM 1,600, right? Okay, lastly, pants, equivalent to okay, let's see they purchase how many. 100 pair, 30 each. Okay, so the cost is 100 times 30, 3,000. They mark up each pair is 48. All right. Okay, so over here 100 multiplied RM 30 is equivalent to RM 3,000. So the revenue let's say they only mark up, they sell all the 100 pen with the price of the markup is 48. Okay, therefore is RM 4,800. All right, so what is the profit over here? Revenue 4,800 minus cost 3,000, equivalent to RM 1,800. Okay, now we try to compare which one result. Okay, revenue we have calculated for each item, each category, and then which product category resulted in the highest profit. Dress is 3,000, shirt is 1,000 for 3,000 is for dress. Shirt is 1,600, pen is 1,800. Obviously, dress is the highest if we only mark up without mark down. Okay, so we can make a conclusion here. Okay, dress is the highest profit. Okay. Okay, with a profit of 3,000 under markup strategy. Markup strategy. Okay, without markdown. Okay, this is a conclusion for question B. All right, we proceed with question C. All right, determine the total net profit after 1 month of sale. Okay, I have summarized what we have did just now. Of the markup become what is the selling price and markdown what is the selling price. Okay, now we decide the profit, the net profit, markup and markdown, right? Okay, so based on this situation, okay, just now we already read here. They say markup, they sell how many dresses? 110, right? 110. Okay, and then the remaining is a markdown price. Okay, remaining means 40 because total we only have 150 dresses, right? Okay, so over here, okay, we can calculate the net profit. Okay, net profit, remember, net profit is revenue minus cost. Okay, revenue minus cost. Okay, therefore, we know the cost is 6,000, right? Okay, so we can calculate for the dress. What will be the net profit for dress? Net profit, the net profit for dresses. So equivalent to the revenue is 110 multiplied with 40 ringgit plus for the remaining 40 unit multiplied with selling price 45 after markdown. And after that, we minus the cost. Cost is 6,000, right? Okay, so the dresses would be RM 2,400. Okay, and then next, the net profit for the shirt. Okay, so total we have 200, right? 200. Okay, and then they mark up, they manage to sell all without markdown. Okay, so we use the selling price of the markup for 200 shirt. Okay, so the revenue would be 200 multiplied with RM28. They successfully sell it without markdown. Minus the cost. Cost is 4,000. 4,000. Okay, 4,000. Therefore, the net price for the shirt is RM 1,600. Okay, finally for the pen. Purchase this much 100 and then the cost is 3,000 and then with markup they sell they didn't apply any markdown. They successfully sell all at 48. Okay, 48. Okay, All right, because they also didn't apply any markdown. Okay, so therefore the revenue will be 100 multiplied with 48 ringgit minus the cost, which is 3,000. Therefore, the net price for the pen will be RM 1,800. Okay, therefore, the total net profit, just plus get the sum for this, for all the net profit over here, which is 2,400 plus with 1,600 plus with 1,800. So therefore the total would be RM 5,800. Okay, so that's all. Okay, just simple to let you understand the concept about markup and markdown, and how to get the net profit. Okay, in what situation how you calculate the cost, right? Okay. Any question until here? Okay, we have discussed two different case studies. Okay, yeah. Any question? Any question from you all?
Okay, sorry Madam Wong, there are one student asking me personally regarding the price of the dress. Thank you.
Wait, let me see. Dress price. Who is the student? Dress price. In which question? Or just now? I see. Wait. Okay, let me go back to the solution here. All right. Okay, you mean this one, the net profit for the dresses? Okay. So we know revenue minus cost, right? Okay, revenue. Okay, revenue means how much is the money that you have collected after you sell all the dresses, right? Okay, it stated that they purchased 150 dresses for 40 ringgit each. This is the cost. Okay, so the cost 150 times 40 is 6,000. This is your cost. This is how you get the cost here. Cost, Okay, and then the markup. Okay, this is a cost. Let me write down cost. Okay, and then after that, with the 50% markup, okay, they sell 110 dresses with 60 ringgit each. All right. Okay, so and wait, let me. Sorry, I typo here. This 60. Can I edit this? Wait, okay. 60, yeah, it should be all right. So 110 times 60 plus with 40 times with the, yeah. Okay, I know already why. It's referred to here, the selling price. After markup is 60, after markdown is 40. So 110 times with 60 plus with 40 unit, okay, because they apply 20% markdown for the remaining dresses. Remaining means 150 minus 110, that means the remaining is 40 dresses. 40 dresses, they sold it with a markdown price, which is 45 ringgit each. Okay, 45 ringgit each. Okay, therefore this is your revenue. Revenue. Then let me write it down. Revenue. Okay, revenue minus cost. Okay, revenue is 110 times with the markup price 60 ringgit plus with the 40 unit times with the 45 markdown price, right? And then minus the cost, which is 60,000. Therefore, end up the net profit for the dresses would be 2,400 ringgit. Okay, is it clear enough? So let me know if you have any question. Yes? Any question? Yeah, you can open mic, or just leave your question over here. Any question? No question?
No, madam.
So far, okay. All right. Okay. So we finished the case study section. If no question, then we proceed to our next section. Next section, Q&A, interaction section. Okay, any question from you all before I ask you question? Yeah, any question? Okay, because we left, our time is limited. Okay, I try to finish it, okay, in a quick time. Okay, just to test you something, thinking challenge. Okay, thinking challenge. Okay, let's say it's a Family Mart company received an invoice dated 15 July 2021. All right, so this is an invoice date. So the trade discount offered was 15%. Okay, the trade discount 15% and 8%, and the cash discount terms are 3, 15, 2, 20, and net 30. On 4 August 2021, the company paid 7,450 ringgit. Find the list price of the items. Okay. So actually it's related to what you have learned today. Okay, but you have to know how to interpret the question and how to substitute or apply it to the suitable formula. Okay, I give you some tips. Okay, we try to analyze what information given here. First of all, what is the invoice date? It's given over here. Okay, let me highlight. The invoice date is 15 July 2021, right? Right? Okay, this is the invoice date. Okay, next, what is the total payment that you have paid? Okay, you say you paid it, the company paid it on 4 August 2021 with the amount 7,450, right? This is the total amount paid. Okay, paid already on this date. Okay, and then why we want to be very clear with the invoice date and the date that you make a payment, because it involves cash discount. We know that cash discount it is encourage a prompt payment, okay, within specific timeline, right? So if you're able to pay in a specific timeline, you will be given certain discount, okay, so that you no need to pay more, right? So after that, given the trade discount and cash discount, I already summarized in this, okay, in this all the information over here in this rectangle here. And then the question asks, find the list price of the items. Okay, this is the objective of this question. Okay, so we already analyze. Now, first step, find how many days from the invoice date until the payment date, which is from 15 July 2019 until 4 August 2019. How many days? Can you find out? Yeah, I give you 20 seconds, okay, to calculate how many days. Just simple. You know how many days in July? Then you minus 15, okay? And after that, add another 4 in order to get the how many days in total.
20.
Is it? Okay. Let me show you. Is it 20? All right. So I will show it how. Okay. Show it here. 15 July until July we have 31 days. Okay. So 13 minus 15 equivalent to 16. Okay. And then August, 1st August and 1st August until 4th August. So 4 days. All right. So 60 plus 4 is 20 days. You are right. Very good. Well done. 20 days over here. So how many cash discount you should get? How many percent of cash discount based on these 3 discount term? Cash discount term. How many percent? Anyone? 20. 3% will be cash discount will be given if you pay within 15 days. 2% discount if you pay within 20 days. So what do you think? Are you eligible to get any cash discount?
2%.
Awesome. Okay, that's good. Okay, so because you pay within 20 days, right? So you will be given 2% cash discount. Okay, entitled 2% cash discount. Okay, very good. So therefore you can apply the chain discount formula over here. Okay, just substitute. Okay, so list price, that means the amount that you want to find out, right? We just leave it L. Okay, so the NP is a payment. Okay, that you pay just now is 7,450, right? Just substitute here. Okay, and then 1 minus R1 is a first trade discount 15% on 0.15, and then second will be 8%, 1 minus 0.08. Okay, 0.8, and then finally 2%, 1 minus 0.02, 0.2, right? Okay, 0.2. So okay, you know how to solve it? How to get the L? Okay, I write down here. Left hand side is 7450, right? Equivalent to L. So you try to solve these three brackets using your calculator. Do you know about it? Okay, easy. I just take out your calculator and calculate. Okay, so you should get okay, you will get something 0 point something 0.76636. Okay, 36. Therefore the list price, you bring it forward here. Okay, become divide 7,450 divide 0.76636. Okay, 36. Okay, so the list price should be equivalent to RM 9721.28. Yeah, is it all right? Okay, just a simple example, just you know how to utilize the formula by substituting. After you analyze and interpret the information given here, it's very important. Then only you apply it to the suitable formula. Okay, then we proceed with the second thinking challenge 2. Andy brought a lawn mower that cost 5,000 ringgit. He was given 25% discount on that purchase. He later sold that lawn mower with a markup of 35% on the selling price. Find the selling price of the lawn mower. Okay, we interpret. Okay, we know that the cost is given here 5,000, right? 5,000. And then he is given a 35% discount on that purchase. All right, discount on that purchase. Okay, so after that, he sell it with markup that 35 on the selling price. How much is the selling price that he sell it? All right, so first of all, find the cost after discount. Okay, based on the first clue over here. Okay, this one, first clue. Okay, cost 5,000. After 25% discount, how much will be the cost after discount? Any idea? Okay, we just apply the formula. Okay, wait. Okay, so before this, we calculate this one first. 5,000. Okay, multiply with, okay, 1 minus 0.25, right? That means you pay for 75% only. Okay, so it's equivalent to RM 3,750, right? Okay, this is the cost after discount. Now we are going to find the selling price. Selling price is also similar as retail price. Retail price. Okay, so we know the formula is retail price. R equivalent to C is a cost plus with the markup. Okay, markup. Okay, markup is based on selling price. It's important. It's not based on the cost. Therefore, the cost over here just now is 3,750. Right? Multiply plus with the markup 35%, 0.35 times with the selling price. We just leave it. We don't know about it. We just put a R. Okay, left hand side is still R. Okay, now our target, we want to find out what is your R. Okay, retail price, which is the selling price. Okay, therefore, we move 0.35 R to the left hand side. Okay, so this R is 1 R. Okay, 1 R minus 0.35 R. Okay, this is a basic calculation. Okay, and then equivalent to 3,750. So 1 minus 0.35 will be 0.65. 0.65 R. Equivalent to 3,750. Right? So similarly, if multiply, you move to the right hand side, will become divide. 3,750 divide 0.65. Okay, so R is equivalent to, okay, you try to calculate, is equivalent to, so after markup, the price should be higher than the cost. Is equivalent to RM 5,769.23. Okay? Here is the answer. Is it okay? Yeah. Any question? Until here, any question? It combines discount together with the markup, right? So you need to know how to apply it, okay, for different real life application. Okay. Okay, so you must know retailer must add on additional amount called markup in order to cover the business expenses and to generate profit for themselves. Okay, thinking challenge 3. Okay, I let you try first. I give you 2 minutes to have a look. Interpret the information here. Interpret. Okay, I believe like question A is very direct. Single discount rate. Then you just apply the single discount equivalent in order to solve it. Okay. Okay, try to think about it. Of course, if you have any question, please ask. Please ask. Just simple about discount. All right. So we interpret. So Rita received an invoice date 29 March. This is invoice date. Important. Okay, it's 29 March 2021. The amount of the invoice is this one. Okay, including transport costs. Transport cost is 200. All right. That means this amount include 200. Okay. Transport costs. Okay, later we need to minus it out in order to calculate the discount. Okay, now by looking at the trade discount given 16%, 9%, and cash discount, 3 terms, 8, 5, 8, 3, 17, and net 30. And then find out A, the single discount rate that is equivalent to the series of trade discount given. Okay, you apply the formula of single discount equivalent. B, the last date to receive 3% cash discount. Date, they ask about date. This one is the single discount rate, which is equivalent to the trade discount. Okay, and then C, the amount to be paid. Okay, amount to be paid if she made the payment on 5th of April. Okay, that means we need to see whether she can get any cash discount or not if she make the payment on this day. Okay, okay, this is what we have analyzed. Okay, so just now I told you already, the transport cost, you have to minus it out because we cannot include it over here in the list price. So that means we minus 200 from 5,826. Okay, that means 5,826. Okay, minus 200 equivalent to 5,626. Okay, this is the list price over here. All right, and then this trade discount given, cash discount is given. So the question is the single discount rate that is equivalent to this trade discount near these two. Okay, these two. Okay, so we apply this formula. Okay, so we sub 1 minus 16% means 0.16. And then another one, 1 minus 9%, 0.09 are equivalent to, okay, we calculate it, it's equivalent to 0.2356. 2356. Okay, so you need to make sure convert it back to percentage. Okay, percentage, that means 0.2356 times with 100%. That means equivalent to 23.56%. Okay, percent. Okay, percent. Right, this is the answer. Okay, next question. Okay, we have minus it, become this one already. So the next question is the last date to receive 3% cash discount. Interesting, Okay, so over here from the invoice date, okay, invoice date is this one. 3%, by looking at the term here, which one is 3%? 5,817. Oh, yes, it's over here, 3%. So if you pay the payment within 17 days, you will be eligible to get 3% cash discount. All right, so our question is, okay, from 29 March 2021 until day number 17, what will be the date? Okay, what is the target? What is the date over here? Okay, then only, sorry, this one next. Okay, we just look at this one. And this one is another question. This one no need, we no need to apply this one because the question doesn't ask us about the price, right? Okay, we just stop here. Just calculate the date. What is the date? All right, so from 29 March, okay, until the last day of March is 31st. How many days? 31 minus 29 is equivalent to 2 days. 2 days, right? 2 days. 2 days. All right, another one. Okay, 2 days, we still lack another 15 days, right? 15 days. And only we can get 17, right? 2 plus 15 is 17. Therefore, the next month after the March will be the April, 1st of April. Until 15 days mean until day number 15 April. Then only we get 15 days over here. Then total out, we get 17. Therefore, the answer of the last date, okay, is 15 April 2021. Okay, in order to get 3% cash discount, right? Okay, so in this question, there doesn't ask us more about how to calculate to get the net price or anything. So we just ignore the formula over here. Okay, we move to the next question. Over here, then they only ask us about the payment. Okay, the amount to be paid. Okay, then only we apply the formula. If she made a payment on 5th April 2021, Okay, we need to read carefully. 5th April 2021. Okay, any cash discount. Okay. Yes, any question? Okay, so again, we need to identify how many days from the invoice date until the payment date. Okay, that means from 29 March until 5th April. How many days? Again, okay, so over here we try to calculate 29 March until 31st of March, the last day of March is how many days? 31 minus 29, 31 minus 29 is equivalent to 2 days, right? And then the next month, April, 1st of April until 5th of April, 5 days. 5 days. So 2 plus 5 is 7 days, right? 7 days. Okay, therefore, okay, so within 8 days could get 5%. So, okay, 5% will be given. Okay, therefore, we will apply the formula of net price. The list price is 5626. Okay, 5626. 1 minus the rate here is 16%, 0.16. And then 1 minus 0.09. And then 5%, 1 minus 0.05. All right, so try to solve it by using your calculator. You should get RM ringgit. Okay, 4,085 ringgit and 49 cents. Yeah, this is how we calculate the amount to be paid after we consider about the trade discount and cash discount. Is it okay? All right, this is the last question. Is it okay we extend a little bit to discuss the last question? Is it okay? Okay, okay, sorry for the delay. Last question, we try to finish it. So, thinking challenge 4. Okay, we have 3 questions for you. Okay, we'll do it one by one. Okay, don't worry, we'll discuss it. Okay, question A. The retailer bought a rice cooker at 89 ringgit. The rice cooker was sold with a gross profit of 35% based on the selling price. Find the selling price of the rice cooker. So we have interpreted the cost of the rice cooker is 89 ringgit. Gross profit 35% based on the selling price. Find the selling price. So we know R equal to C plus M. Retail price is the selling price equal to the cost plus a markup. Okay, markup. Okay, so we just apply this one. I try to do it here. R equivalent. The cost given is 89 plus with the 35% markup based on the selling price. Selling price is R, retail price. So multiply with R over here. All right. So R minus, move it to the left, 0.35 R equivalent to 89. So after minus is 0.75 R equivalent to 89. So R equivalent to 89 over 0.75. So the retail price or selling price is equivalent to RM ringgit 136.92. Okay, this is selling price of the rice cooker. Right? Just simple. Actually, we have discussed this in the earlier question. Okay, I won't waste time here. We move to the next question. Music X Center sold a grand piano for 21,199 ringgit. If the operating expenses were 27% on the cost and the net profit was 15% on cost. Find the cost of the piano. Okay, cost of the piano. Okay, we try to interpret. Oh, sold means sell. So this is your selling price. Selling price, this is your selling price, 21,199. Okay, so the operating expenses given here is a 27% on cost. All right, and then the net profit is 15% on cost. Find the cost of the piano. Okay, so we apply the formula R equal to C plus E plus P because it involves expenses and also profit. All right, we want to find the cost of the piano. And then we already know your retail price, which is the starting price, 21,199. So we apply this formula, C plus E plus P. So R is 21,199 plus with the cost, we don't know about it, just leave it. E is the expenses, 27% of the cost. Cost we don't know, just leave it, this is 7. Okay, plus with the P. Profit, 15% on cost. Right? Okay, so we simplify the right hand side, become 1.42C cost, because 1 plus 0.27 plus 0.15 is 1.42C. All right, over here 21,199. Okay, so the cost you just divide as usual, divide by 1.42. So the cost would be RM 14,928.87. Okay. All right. Just you need to interpret. Okay. And then next, the final question. A grocer brought 45 boxes of plum at 18 ringgit per box and 20 boxes of grapes at 12 ringgit and 50 cents per box. The operating expenses incurred were 10% of the total cost. If the grocer wants a net profit of 25% based on the total selling price, find, okay, the total selling price. Okay, so in this case, we apply the same formula like the previous question. Okay, the 4B just now. Okay, so we want to find the R. Okay, retail price, which is selling price. So over here, you need to find out the C. C is your cost. What is your cost? Okay, we can do it here. What's your cost? Okay, from here for the plum and also the cost for the grapes per box. All right, so it's 45 times 18 ringgit plus with 20 boxes times with 12.5. All right, this is your cost, right? Okay, so the total cost over here is RM 1,060. Okay, and then we proceed. We already know the cost, 1,060. Okay, plus with the expenses. Expenses is 10% of the total cost. So 0.10 of the cost is 1,060. We already calculated over here. And then plus with the P. P is a profit. Profit is 25% based on the total selling price, based on the R, right? So that means 0.25, okay, time with your R, okay? So here, R. So you move it to the left-hand side. R minus 0.25 R, which is 0.75 R, okay? Okay, it seems like the previous question. Okay, you must know how to move it to the left hand side. Plus become minus. And then over here, 1060 plus with this one. Okay, it will become 1166. So R equal to 1166 divided by 0.75. So the R equivalent to the retail price or the selling price is equivalent to RM 1,554.67. Okay, 67. All right. Okay, done. Okay, the final question. The maximum percentage of markdown that could be offered without incurring any loss. All right, so talk about markdown. Okay, so we think about breakdown. Okay, break even price. Okay, equivalent to C plus E. Okay, cost plus expenses. Right. So in this case, our cost is 1060 plus with the E expenses just now is over here, right? 0.10 time with the 1060. Okay, is 11660. Yeah, we have calculated just now. Okay, this is your break even price. Okay, after that, we know that the maximum markdown is R minus BEP. So your R is a retail price we have calculated is 1554.67 minus 1166. 1166. All right. Okay, it is equivalent to, okay, I write down here limited space 388.67 only. Okay, this is your maximum markdown. Okay, therefore, in order to calculate the maximum percentage of markdown, that means the maximum markdown rate. Rate means percentage. So it's 388.67. 8.67 divided by the retail price, which is 1554.67 times with 100%. Okay, is equivalent to 25%. Okay, without any loss. Okay, yeah, that's the end of the question. Yeah, any question until here? Before we make a conclusion, before I make a conclusion, any question from you all? Still can follow? Okay, in the end, okay, I can make a conclusion and wrap up everything. Okay, so actually I have repeat all the point in the beginning. What is meant by trade discount? Okay, markup, markdown, cash discount, all this. So to summarize, I just make a summary, simple summary. Okay, so throughout this lecture, we have exposed some examples and calculation to illustrate how these four concepts can impact the pricing decision and overall success of the business. Okay, so we also have discussed the interconnectedness of the trade discount, cash discount, and also the markup and markdown, right? In order to make some purchasing decision as a consumer, right? Knowledge of this concept will be valuable, right? Yeah, okay. So this one, just a summary. Okay, we already discussed it just now. So it can enhance the financial stability and reduce the account receivable if we apply the cash discount, right? And also in the end, okay, by mastering this concept, okay, both buyers and seller can make informed decision, negotiate better deals, and also understand the pricing strategy employed by the businesses. All right. Okay, so thank you for your attention. Okay, throughout this lecture, the online lecture, I hope you found it insightful and relevant to your studies or future endeavor. Okay, feel free to reach out if you have any further questions or you need additional resources, right? Okay, good luck in your study. Yeah, thank you, all of you.
Madam Agnes, there are some students asking about the slide. Can they have the soft copy of the slide?
Oh, sure, no problem. I will share it with Madam Agnes. Is it okay? I will share it, to Madam. Yeah, no problem. I can share everything.
Okay, thank you very much, Madam Wong. Thank you, our speaker, for your valuable contribution and insight. This has been a truly clear explanation, very good example which is related to our real life. And also many different cases have been discussed as well. So I hope all students here get the benefit from this workshop.
Yeah, thank you everyone. I hope it helped all of you, all the students here. Yeah, all the students in UITM. It's a good chance for me to share this lecture with you all. Yeah, thanks for having me.
So before we wrap up, I would like to remind all students to fill in the attendance link as provided in the chat box. Once again, thank you all for being part of this workshop, and thousand thanks for Madam Wong for being with us. Hopefully one sunny day we can meet face to face physically. Okay everyone, now one last photo session before we end up our workshop.
Okay, please make sure you switch on your camera. I think quite a number of you still switch it off. Can you switch on for a while? We have to take a group photo. Quickly, so that we can call the night.
My camera problem lah, I think.
It's okay.
So if ada lah. Okay, the rest quickly. Almost 10 p.m. already.
Okay, so
Sandra, Azira, Oscar, Dilbert. Okay, turn on your camera, please. Nice, good, nice. If you share device with your friend, should be no problem. Sandy dengan siapa tu? Okay.
Okay, I will count now. 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you very much, everyone. Thank you, Madam Wong.
Thank you,
Thank you,
everyone.
Madam Wong, for
Yeah,
your
thank
time.
you. Yeah,
Thank you,
good night,
Madam.
everyone.
Good night.
Thank you, good night. Attendance, jangan lupa. Belum. Belum kan? Okay, we'll share to you inside the WhatsApp group lah.
Okay, so if tak sempat nanti we share in WhatsApp lah. Attendance.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Okay, students,
Thanks
you can
everyone.
get the link inside the WhatsApp group.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, madam.